Hey guys, it's Grayson and I'm here at our cold warehouse, and we recently got back from a salvage job in Winchester, Virginia. We did an apple orchard barn. A barn on an apple orchard. This was originally the Julian Glass orchard, I guess it was. Been around for many years, and now they've got all their ladders. You can see I've got a couple of the apple picking ladders here with me, and even some boxes, some of the apple crates with us too that we got to pick up from this job. It was filmed for one of our episodes for season 9. We start to take down a barn. You'll see the dogs struggle a little bit. It's going to be a good episode. But these ladders are one of my favorite things that came from this job. These have been used, of course, so over the years when they'd break or get weak, they would fix them. So there's a scab, a metal scab, I guess you'd call this, on this one right here, which I think just adds to the effect of this, you know, because these were actually used in orchards to pick apples from apple trees. They can obviously be used again, probably not as a ladder, they're a little bit unsafe, but they'd be really cool to kind of accent something, or of course repurpose. So, guys, these are about 2 stories long, so I can't stand it up to show you, but you'll just have to come down to a warehouse and see them for yourself.